Happy to see you here on my channel Math Brain, and today we have really great, tricky and relaxing challenge, quick challenge I would say. We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen, and in the same way a lot of students might be saying, okay mister, this is this challenge I've ever seen. We have subtraction, we have division. I learned this stuff in the 3rd or 4th grade, so that's fantastic. So go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section. Right here we have 3 options, A, B and C, so choose an option what do you think is a correct answer to this challenge and write your option down into the comment section. We will check our answers here in just 30 seconds, so it will be really great and tricky challenge for us to test our answers in the end of the video. So first of all, here's our challenge, and I want to start with this first interpretation because a lot of students solve this challenge like that. We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. So a lot of students solve this challenge like that. We have subtraction right here and we have subtraction right here. So with this subtraction we have right here 1, yeah, we have 0, yeah, we have 2 minus 2 equal to 0. With this division, with this subtraction we have 0 as well. With this division in the middle, 0 times 0. Some students write the answer 0, another part of students don't know how can we divide it, and of course many students solve this question like that. And a second interpretation looks like that. For example, let's look at it. A lot of students solve this question like that. So we have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. Okay, a lot of students solve this question like that. From left to right, they don't know about order of operation, they solve this question like that. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and then they rewrite this 0 divided by 2 minus 2. Once more from left to right, we have 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0, and 0 minus 2 because we still have minus 2, yeah, and the correct answer is minus 2. So this is option B. One part of students tell that this is option A is a correct answer, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students, as you can see, a lot of students solve this challenge in their own way. A lot of students solve this challenge absolutely randomly, and they have different answer. But I want you to understand that in terms of math, we should know about a correct order of operation, because as you can see, we can't solve this challenge wherever we want. It's really bad mistake in terms of math if we solve this challenge wherever we want. Okay, we should know about a correct order of operation. Let's look, for example, at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So how does this PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step is addition and subtraction group. So parentheses has the highest priority, addition subtraction has the lowest priority. Okay, so right now let's try to solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS. So it was our first interpretation, it is our second interpretation, and in this third interpretation let's solve this challenge according to a correct order of operation. Okay, so what do we have right here? We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. As I told before, let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. Do we have parentheses? Let's look at it. I don't see any of those. We don't have any parentheses, so we just skip this part. What about exponents? Maybe to square, to cube right here. We don't have any exponents, we don't have any powers because we have like regular numbers, so 2 to the first power, which is really great. We don't have to square, and it's really great. So we skip this part with exponents. The next step, multiplication division group. Let's scan where do we have multiplication division sign. Okay, let's look at it. So division sign we have right here, and we don't have multiplication sign, obviously, because yeah, we don't have any multiplication sign. So multiplication sign, we don't have it. And we have division sign. So division sign we have right here. But moreover, we have subtraction sign and we don't have addition sign. So let's mention that we don't have addition sign and we have subtraction sign. And here's maybe the key moment right here. You should understand what is our first step, what is the correct order of operation. As I told before, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, we don't have addition, but we have division and subtraction part. But higher position means higher priority. So it means the division had the higher position with this subtraction, so we should divide at first and next we should subtract. Let's do this. So we have division right here in the middle. So what do we have? We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, and we have minus 2. And as you can see, completely different answer. We complete this division part, and I see right now that this is a completely different answer with this, okay, with these answers. So very basic subtraction. Moreover, you don't need this order of operation right now, but if you're interested, yeah, we can easily complete this subtraction part. So 2 minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. This is option C, and right now maybe the main moment. What is the correct answer? Right here, a lot of students solve this challenge like that. Correct answer is A, or they don't know how can we divide it. Another part of student tell correct answer is -2, option B, and the third part of student tell correct answer is -1. But what is the correct answer? Let's look, for example, at this first interpretation. In this first interpretation, we subtracted first, then we divided at first. Then we divided after this subtraction. This is a very bad mistake in terms of math, because subtraction is all the time after division, okay? It's all the time after division. This is a great solution, but when we have parentheses right here, if you have parentheses, next, this is a correct solution to this challenge with parentheses. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this. And this is a really bad solution because this is a very weird expression, because we can't divide by zero. So forget about this expression, forget about this interpretation. This is very bad interpretation in terms of math. Okay? Let's go to the second interpretation. In this second interpretation, it looks like this is a correct solution, but right here the same mistake. Subtraction, then division. This is a very bad mistake in terms of math. Division is all the time before subtraction, so this is a great solution, but when we have parentheses right here, with parentheses you can easily do subtraction before division, because parentheses has the highest priority. So it means that you can easily subtract, and then you can easily divide, but when subtraction is inside parentheses. Okay, so this is a great solution with parentheses. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this solution. Third interpretation, our last hope right here, we have, what do we have right here? We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2, and this is a great solution, because division, then subtraction, this is a correct order of operation, so I hope your answer is the same as mine. Division, then subtraction from left to right. Moreover, if you know a little bit about math, you can easily cancel this 2 and this 2, because 2 minus 2 equal to 0, so you can easily cancel this, and as a result we have -1. Okay, this is like a great trick in terms of math. So my correct answer is -1. I hope you understand it. I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos. Thank you for your time and have a great day.